Who says woof? Woof. The dog, excellent. Now who says meow? The cat, well done.
Okay, who says moo? The cow, bravo. And who says the rabbit, excellent.
Okay, children, now let's act like dogs. Woof, woof, woof. Bravo. Now let's act like ducks.
Quack, quack, quack.
Well done.
Now we will see our very talented infants, our English for Infants students and their lovely parents performing Who Says Moo song.
Let's sing and dance together. Look at your teachers and dance with us.